price of coffee rises, I drink less tea. Very simple. They are substitute goods. So price of coffee is increasing and quantity of coffee is decreasing and quantity of tea is increasing. So there is quantity of tea is, I drink less tea. Quantity of tea is decreasing. This is what it is given. Oh, okay. So the price of coffee is increasing and it says that I drink less tea. So quantity of tea is decreasing. So price of coffee and quantity of tea are moving in opposite direction. If they're moving in the opposite direction, then the cross price elasticity must be negative. So either this or this. Now let's go to the income elasticity. The income elasticity basically tells me how my quantity changes when income changes. Now, if you notice, the income is not given in this question. So what can I do? I can think it in the following direction, that when my price is increasing, then my real income, this is decreasing. And when my real income is decreasing, I am decreasing the quantity of coffee. If I am, because it is not mentioning what is happening to quantity of coffee. So if I am decreasing the quantity of coffee, then they're moving in the same direction. Then the income elasticity is positive for coffee. This is also for tea. Sorry, the income elasticity for demand of tea. Okay. So when my real income is decreasing, I am decreasing the quantity of tea. So which means that the income elasticity is moving in the same direction. So it is positive. The answer is that income elasticity is positive and cross price elasticity is negative. So the answer is D. Right? So just try and think. You have to see which direction is it moving in. It says when price of coffee rises, I drink less tea. So I increased the price of coffee, which means that I don't know. The quantity of coffee is not given, but the price of increase in price of coffee has caused decrease in the quantity of tea. So price of coffee and quantity of tea are moving in opposite direction, which means that the cross price elasticity is negative. When the price of coffee increased, my real income decreased. When my income is decreasing and quantity is also decreasing, they're moving in the same direction. So the income elasticity is positive.